Welcome to Flair. We're going to show you how to set up a new home with Flair Smart Vents. Each Flair home requires at least one gateway puck. Before you set up your gateway puck, make sure that you have powered on all your smart vents and that your smart vents are close to the gateway puck. You don't need to install your smart vents in your ducts just yet. For more information on how to install smart vents, click the video below. Installation is simple. You will connect your gateway puck to AC power and follow the in-app instructions to complete setup. First, let's understand the difference between a gateway puck and a sensor puck. A gateway puck is powered by AC power and communicates to the Flair cloud via Wi-Fi. The gateway puck serves as the hub of your Flair system. Any puck can be converted into a gateway puck. A sensor puck can be powered by USB or by batteries. Sensor pucks communicate with the gateway puck. Every Flair system needs at least one gateway puck. Let's get started with setup. First, flip your puck over and remove the puck door. The puck is designed to only use the Flair USB cord and power adapter. Please do not use any other cords or adapters with your puck. Plug in the micro USB end of the cable into the back of the puck, then connect the puck to AC power. You're now ready to set up your puck in the Flair app. These instructions are valid for iOS, Android, and the web app. We will show you when and if to expect differences across these apps. Download the Flair app at flair.co/iOS or flair.co/Android. You can also use the web app on your browser at my.flair.co. In the app, tap or click on Sign Up and enter in your name and email address. Then create a password. If you would like your phone to be used as an occupancy determining device, click Yes, use this device to the question at the top of the screen. You will not see this question in the web app. In the app, click Create a Home. If you ever have any questions about installation or the Flair app, be sure to contact customer support. Our California-based support team is ready to help. Simply send a message or email us at hello@flair.co. Next, name your home. This will be the name associated with your home in the Flair app. Enter in your home's address. You can either use your phone's location or enter your details manually. Flair uses your address to give you weather information and to activate geofencing, so your system knows when you're coming home. Next, the Flair app will ask you to plug in the puck and make sure it is in gateway mode. Once your puck is a gateway, it will show a screen with the puck's unique ID code. If your puck does not show this, please verify that it is in gateway mode. You may also need to go into the puck's settings menu and select Forget Wi-Fi. Now type in the puck's ID code. Now select your home 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Flair will not work with 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks, so please ensure that you have a 2.4 GHz network. Enter the password for your network and press the Next button. Your puck will then connect to Wi-Fi. Please note that this process is sped up in this video and can take up to a minute. Once you see the Wi-Fi symbol on your puck, confirm on the app. If the Flair app is unable to connect to Wi-Fi automatically, we will ask you to manually switch to the puck's Wi-Fi network. To do so, go to your device's settings and select the Flair Wi-Fi network. You may be prompted that there is no internet, but please ensure that you remain connected to this network. You may then switch back to the Flair app. If you found that you're still having issues, go to the puck's settings menu and select Forget Wi-Fi to reset Wi-Fi. Then go through the setup process again. If you have any questions, please contact support at hello@flair.co. That's hello@flair.co. If you are setting up on a web browser, you will have to manually change your computer's Wi-Fi network to the Flair Wi-Fi network. You will then select your home network's Wi-Fi SSID and enter your password. Select your system type. In this video, we will be selecting thermostat. If you're using an IR device such as a window unit, portable heater or AC, or a mini split, check out our video on how to configure an IR device. If you have a Wi-Fi connected thermostat such as an Ecobee or Honeywell, you can link this thermostat with Flair by tapping on the Ecobee or Honeywell selection and logging in to your Smart Thermostats account. If you have a non-smart thermostat or a smart thermostat not listed above, no problem. Choose Other Thermostat. Next, name your thermostat and enter in the brand. Also enter the number of vents used in this thermostat zone. This includes both smart vents and regular vents. Now, let's create new rooms in your home. Please name your room. If you have additional sensor pucks you would like to set up, you can add batteries or plug them in now. During setup, your pucks will display a 4-character ID. This will help you identify your pucks when you associate them with rooms in the Flair app. Your smart vents will display a unique pattern on their light strip. This will help you identify your smart vents when you associate them with rooms in the Flair app. Next, create a new room for your thermostat. If this room does not have any Flair devices, you can skip the puck and vent assignment and simply select the thermostat that is located in this room. You'll be able to set up a few features in the Flair app. Auto mode uses Flair's advanced machine learning algorithms to control your Flair Smart Vents and regulate temperature. Manual mode gives you manual control over each individual smart vent. If Smart Away is enabled, Flair will control your smart vents as well as your heating and cooling, even if you're away. Choose this option to prevent rooms from getting too cold or too hot when you're out of the house. Off only means that Flair will not run heat or cooling while you are away. Select geolocation if you would like the Flair app to use your phone's location to determine if you are home or away. Set this option to manual to manually control in the app when you are home or away. Finally, select whether your thermostat is currently heating or cooling. This will help jumpstart Flair's automatic detection. After setup, Flair will automatically check vent temperatures to determine heating or cooling. If you have multiple homes, you can choose which home is the default home you see. If you only have one home, set this home as the default. If you have any questions or comments, you can access Flair support straight from the settings menu in the app, or you can email us at hello@flair.co. That's hello@flair.co. If you would like to add additional devices, you can always do so by tapping on the plus button in the bottom right corner. And that's it. Now that you've set up your home in the Flair app, get ready for the perfect temperature in every room.